Hello guys and welcome to my new video. This one will be about the most common reason why I will not consider you for a position of a developer, and this is quite common in the code submissions that I've seen. Uh, let's have a look at the code. This is what I might receive. I mean, it's not the real code submissions that I will receive for my company, but it looks kind of similar. Um, if you notice something missing, yes, the unit tests, they are completely missing. And when I see that, I basically will not even look at the code at all. It reminds me of my favorite of the scene from my favorite film, and you might see my thinking in that one. Let's see this.
Incorrect sentencing is an automatic fail. Disobeying a direct order from your assessment officer is an automatic fail. Losing your primary weapon or having it taken from you is an automatic fail.
Yes.
Okay, guys, this is how I feel when I see the no unit test. Like automatic fail. You you have not shown me that you care about your code. Like the unit tests are very important. They show that basically you care about the functionality. Uh, they tell me that you have done assessment of your code and you are quite confident in your code, and also that you tested your functionality. So I will run your tests definitely. It's not like I will skip them, but if you have a test ready, I can quite easily go over them. Now with this code structure is a bit difficult, uh, but that's for another video. So even I would say even if you're like doing heavy job search, if you're like doing 10, I mean when I was younger, I would probably do about like every week I might do about 2, 3 code tests. Um, you know, when I was kind of looking for a new job and the opportunities kept coming in. But don't, I never, like, I learned not to skip on the unit tests because they are really for you to show that you care about the task. And like, even that 7-hour code test that I described in my last video, um, I mean, they have the unit tests, so I didn't have to write them. But even during my coding, for that one, I did my internal unit tests where I tried to test loads of stuff to make sure that the submission was correct. And I was able to find loads of cases where it didn't work. Like there was this conversion thing which had 50 possible values. Um, and basically the tests in the hacker rank were for like few of them, but I did all of them just to make sure. And I code out some issues. So on the submission, I would have all of those things ironed out. They add a bit more time, yes, but it should not be like too much. It should be like 20-30% of your coding time, and it should adjust for that. And even in your normal coding, you should be aware that your code is just your code, but then there are unit tests which add to that, which might be even like 50% of your coding time. And it should be like understandable, and it should be clear that this is absolutely necessary. Um, okay, I Let's say, so what do I have to say more? Yeah, so even if you are doing multiple code tests, don't skip on those things. Um, they are like one of the first things that I will look at. And if you don't do them, there is no reason for me to continue with your submission. You just wasted your time. I wasted my time. And no one is really happy. People might say to you, like the recruiter might give you, I mean, I usually provide a feedback, so I would tell the recruiter that there are no unit tests. That's not good. Um, but sometimes people don't tell you. Yeah, so that's for me. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe. If you have any code issues in a C sharp, please let me know. I can go over them, help you with this. Or if you have some other questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.